to Reassembly, and let's take the faction called Terran. It is the main faction and basic what you start with, and let's color it like, let's make a army style. Okay, that's good. Let's go. So let's modify our ship. It looks like this. Okay, yeah. Not now. So the idea is to conquer this galaxy, and we start so little that we can't do really anything, and we have weapons. Those are missiles, and these trees should spawn this, whatever this is. It's called R, and we can go near a station and trade it to C, which is the money, and with C you can buy things. Like, I'd like this. That's one of the first things you should buy. That's just a fast editing and auto fire. I mean, point defense. Auto fire is like, this thing includes auto fire, but auto fire doesn't destroy nearby missiles and so on. And auto fire, I think it's buggy. It haven't been working so well for me. And we can reactivate these damaged stations. Whoa, this thing is fast. Okay, here's a damaged station. I can reactivate it, and that's pretty much it. And I got 500 C from that. Oh, the trees are dying. I get C for it. I mean R for that. Whoa, those are enemies. I know they are dead. So yeah. Here's some more enemies. Those are probably the farmer faction. Yeah, let's go activate some more stations. That's the enemy. Gotta watch those asteroids. I don't hit them. Whoa, just activate it. Nice. Okay. Here's another. Whoa. Okay, this is... I don't think I can do this station. Okay, I can. But here are way too many enemies. I'm going to die over here. So yeah. Oh, I'm getting away, nice. Okay, let's edit our ship. This is a thing you need. And let's delete this thing. I don't want to use that at all. Okay, that's the name for now. Okay, we could fit there some weapons. Okay, that's good. Yeah, we can see it building up, and now it's kind of down already. Yeah, that's a drone. I don't know why is it. Yeah. Okay, these missiles work really well. So let's go capture some stations. Yeah, this ain't as fast, or does it seem to be as fast? Okay, here are pretty much farmers. I don't I don't know if I should go and kill them. Okay, that seems to be easy. I just need to get near them for it to be easy. But yeah, I can probably get the station. Okay, it's full of enemies. Unknown faction. Or factionless. I don't know. Okay, so those tiny guys are trying to destroy me. And now it's backing up and dying. Nice. And I get money for it. And money is C. Yep. Okay, that's the red faction. And that is a big ship from them. I don't think I should go too near to it, but I have nothing to lose at the moment. So let's go try to kill him. Okay, here we go, here we go. Yeah, I'm dead. I should go. can't do anything for that guy. Whoa, what's that weapon? Oh, it's coming back. I get the attack time, yeah. Or situation to attack. And what are you doing, please? Would you attack ship? Thanks. And the other one? Yeah. What's that? What is it doing? Is it broken or why is it doing that? It is attacking like that? Are you serious? I don't see how is that attacking. Okay, now he probably fixed it or something. Well, yeah. There's some R. Okay. Those red things are agents, and at the start you really do not want to get near those, because they are really hard to beat. We are having pretty much money soon. We can try to upgrade our ship. Let's just handle these enemies, yeah. So that is a farmer, and that's something I have no idea of. Okay, nearly 3000 C. Okay, not even nearly, but yeah, let's see what can we do with it. Burst laser is nice. And manipulator, yes. That will drag the enemy towards me. So yeah. Some more. Okay, now it's good. That's the red. Oh, what? That's not so big a ship. I can probably handle it already. That beam is dragging it towards me. Just 2 beams. Whoa, that's nice. Okay, I'm in the middle of enemies and I'm pretty much dying at the moment. And I got killed by that weird faction. I don't think that's a faction. Oh, those were... No, those were not agents. Or were those? I don't know. Not probably. Yeah, they were not. Okay, let's see what's over here. Okay, that's a big thing. Whoa. Was it that easy, really? I just rammed it. Whoa. Let's try it again. Whoa, nice. That's so easy. Will it work still again? Yeah. Where is this station? Oh, it's over here. Okay, I'm going back. I'm not going to get his station. I want to redeem my R to see. I want to get the money. Oh, that doesn't seem good at all. The wall faction is chasing me. Okay, I'm going to transfer this. Over here. Okay, what is that? Is that a enemy station? Seems like it. Let's go destroy it. Is it not destroyed or why are you shooting it? Oh, okay. That's enemy too. Mosquito. Too many of those over here. Or actually they are the small ones, they are actually flies, but mosquito kind of. Okay, let's go back over here to beat them up. Oh, he's already getting away. You're not getting away. Okay. Now it's again me getting beat up. So let's... Whoa, that's a big one. I'm dead. There is so many raids over there. Let's not go over there again, okay? Hey, they are using my ships. Get away of my way. Get out of my way. It's a nice trail. Whoa. Why did they explode when they hit me? I don't understand that. Well, okay. Hi. That's tiny red. And that's a bigger red and even bigger. Why is here so many reds? The red is not a strong faction. It is. It should be the weakest one, but why are there so many of them? That's the thing I don't get. So here aren't any destroyed stations over here. This seems like a good start, actually. Yeah. That's pretty much what this is. So now we are exploring. We don't know what here is, we know what over here is, but this is all unknown and dark and black on the mini-map. So yeah. Well, oh, I found something. Let's go see what there are. That's probably asteroids. I don't know what the colors mean, but I know that a very green one is vegetation, and that's a good thing. Okay, so red stands for red, probably, or the orange. So yeah, this, yeah. Oh no, there's a agent near me. I don't want to get near that. Those will kill me immediately. Like I killed these. Poof. Is that our ship? Yes, it is. Okay, here are our stations too. Over here. Somewhere nearby. Oh, I see it. Over there. Nice. It seems that here are pretty many of those. And what is that? It is a black hole. You like, if you have conjured the galaxy, or like I don't want to play here anymore, you can change the place, but that pretty much changes nothing. But you have more enemies and more agents, etc. It should become harder when you do that. And here are pink guys. Pretty much of those. Oh, they're beating up a red. I want to beat it up. Hello. Hi. Oh. Never mind. Never mind. But where are the inactive stations? That's what I'd like to find. Because yeah. What this thing? Oh, it's ours. Yep, destroying our own forest. Perfect. I'm probably going towards a red area, so let's not go over there. Okay, here are the farmers. Let's kill that light recycle. Reassembly. If I just got near enough. Okay, nice. That's a part of forest. Or whatever it is. It is a faction. It's kind of faction. I'm not sure what it is. It's this place. And this place really kills you so fast. Let me show you. If you shoot once, they will all start firing at you. Like this. And I really didn't want to be there for long because of that. Why is here so much of it? Maybe this color stands for the forest. Again. Whoa, that's a thing I want to destroy. I've no idea what that is, but I like destroying these. That was actually a pretty small one, and this one's too. Let's destroy it. Nice. No, I'm not gonna go towards a agent. That sucks. Oh, terrorist missiles. These are bees. That's a faction too. And that's nothing. There are bees everywhere. I'm not sure, but if I remember right, these guys can teleport. They usually do it. Trick, what are you? It seems like it wants me to follow it. Well, whatever. Let's follow it. Oh, I missed it. Okay, now it's in trouble or not. That thing has a lot of power. It's thrusters. Okay, it's way too agile for me. What is this thing? Hydrogen. What? What are those missiles? No. Is this a new faction? Because I don't know this faction, but I know that it is really, really bad. And I should go away from it. No, 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 no. This is not good. This is going terrible. I spawned to a unsecure station. What is this? Oh, so that's what it is. Raptor. Let's kill it. Did it survive? No, it didn't. Well, let's go search things around here. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Thanks. Whoa, eagle. Say goodbye for eagle. Okay, here's way too much red over here. Whoa. I want to transfer, thanks you. Thank you. Okay, so what I want right now is empties. Yeah, good. Okay, let's kill that thing. Nice. Oh, my energy probably went down when I did that. Just let me turn around somewhere. Okay, you're screwed, man. I will destroy this guy. Okay, nice. Now I need to go back, seriously. No, go, 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 go. Just go, please. No, don't die. Aye. No. Ah. Well, let's upgrade the armor of this thing. Okay, now it's good. So let's go to the red area. What are you? You are one of us. You are all one of us. Okay, that's good. That's a red. Say hi. This is my way to say hi. Hello. Okay, I'm taking their attention. And I am being screwed. I am screwed. This didn't go as I planned. Not at all. So I'm going away. Why are they so powerful? Why didn't my lasers work? Okay, let's make some more lasers. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Okay. There are T-Reds again. Okay, it works now. Really good. Okay, here should be some reds around. Yeah, I'm starting to like this method. Yeah, it's much easier. Boom. 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 So yeah. But this really doesn't make us winners. We have probably won the red faction. For sure, let's see what battle nurse can do it. Whoa. Did it just die like that? What? I didn't see that happening. My storage is all full. Well, that's probably much. I wanna get that. It must be over 100. Yeah. Hello. This is so easy. I don't have to. I kind of don't have to do anything. Okay, let's go buy some things. Oh, these are dead trees. Yeah, nice. and they are dying all the time. But you don't get it if you shoot the trees. They aren't even dying from that. Okay, so that one was ours. I have no idea how, but okay. Hey, I want to transfer this. Oh, come on. Thank you. Okay, I can buy some more of these things. And binding. This all goes for here. And let's blast some enemies. I think I'm not good enough for the agent yet. Even though this is pretty hard to beat. Okay. It's pretty hard to drive over here. Or fly. What is it called? Travel. No. That's so fast. And looks so good. Kill him. Kill him. Thank you. What? No! Why didn't you kill him? What's wrong? Okay, that's pretty light armor over there. Let's see if this is good. So yeah, oh, they're the trees, and they are dying everywhere. Let's get them all. Get out of my harvest area. Thank you. These are all mine for now. Oh, there's even more. No, these are mine. No, those are disappearing probably. Nope, I didn't even pick them up myself. Whoa, there's a agent coming near to us. If you see this this guy over here. That's a big one. That's a big one. 2000 B. I'm not going to be there. Oh yeah, command mode 3. I'll put this over there. Nice. And then this. So I made the thing that this thing wanted. Use the map and locate agent. Well, over there is locate and destroy. Sorry. I can't do that for now. Oh, here trees dying too. What if I just go beat up some raids? I'll just probably die again, but yeah, that's nice. Okay, they are somewhere here. They should be. Oh, Terrace destroyed me. Oh, that's the enemy. Why? Why was it camping around there all the time and now it just died? Do I get my loot back? Probably. Give me my loot back. Oh, thank you. 300 something. That's not my loot. There's a tiny guy getting my harvest. I don't like that. I've got to catch it. Oh, he's coming for me. Oh, what? Oh, combat mode. Yeah, this is easy now. I could actually go a bit back. Because I'm having a lot of R with me. Okay. Bye. Okay, you are a good guy. You would you please give me more money for all that? Please. Thank you. And I think it's all for this episode. Yeah, I made the last one 0 episode because I um, continued recording it, but I failed. The OBS wasn't in admin mode, so sorry for that. I had to start over again. But for now, let's say bye.